Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about the importance of using eco-friendly products in the office environment. So let's now check the benefits of eco-friendly products. The first one is reduce environmental impact. Eco-friendly products are made from sustainable materials and have a lower carbon footprint compared to traditional products. By using eco-friendly products, you can help reduce waste, conserve natural resources, and minimize pollution. So whenever we use eco-friendly products, it is going to help to reduce a lot of carbon footprint compared to traditional products. Okay, so by using eco-friendly products, we can help to reduce waste, and also we can protect natural resources, and we can also minimize lot of water, air, and other kinds of pollution in our environment. Improved indoor air quality. Many conventional office products contain harmful chemicals that can contribute to poor indoor air quality. Eco-friendly products are free from toxic substances, making them safer for employees and promoting a healthier work environment. So, we are not even aware sometimes that we have some kind of harmful products or chemicals that are in the office environment. So we have to be very careful about it. By using eco-friendly products that are free from toxic substances, making them safer for employees and promoting a healthier work environment. Cost savings in the long run. While eco-friendly products may have a slightly higher upfront cost, they often provide long-term cost savings. Energy efficient appliances and lighting can reduce electricity bills, and recycled paper and link cartridges can lower printing costs. So when we use eco-friendly products, it can slightly higher up, it can slightly increase the cost, but in the long term, if you consider it, it can reduce a lot of costs. We can save a lot of money, and more important than that is we are living in a healthy environment. We can live longer period of time. So this is also very important. Choosing green supply. So whenever we purchase, we need to buy right products. Eco labels. Look for eco labels such as Energy Star, FSC, and EPEAT to ensure the products meet environmental standards. Recycled or biodegradable materials. Choose products made from recycled materials or biodegradable materials to reduce waste and promote sustainability. Reduce package waste. Opt for products with minimum package or packaging made from recycled materials to minimize waste. So we need to choose right green supplies. So implementing eco-friendly practices, reducing energy consumption, install energy efficient lighting and appliances, encourage employees to turn off lights and computers when not in use, set thermostats to energy saving temperatures. Promoting recycling, provide recycling bins throughout the office for paper, plastic, and other recyclable materials. So what happens is, if you provide bins, if you provide recycling bins throughout the office, employees employees or people who are working in the organization can put it in the put it in that recycle bin, whatever they want to throw it, whether it is paper, plastic, or any other material that can be recyclable. Okay, use recycled or biodegradable office supplies and materials. So this is very important. We always need to use recycled or biodegradable office supplies and materials. So this will be very useful for our office environment and also for planet Earth. So this is the importance of using eco-friendly products in the office. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.